Tesla stock still has a lot going for it heading into 2024. Our very own Madison Mills is here with the three big catalysts for the EV giant. Madison.
Guys, I still can't get over that soundbite we played earlier. They can't even get their own numbers right on this stage, not to pick on them again, but come on, you're saying that you're going to have 20 million in annual vehicle deliveries. This current year's upcoming target for 2024 is just 2 million. So a lot of aspirational goals, to put it lightly, for Tesla moving forward here. Now, having said that, to give them some positive news, guys, I didn't know this. 3 of the 5 biggest vehicle sales in 2022 were actually trucks. So the Cybertruck move for Tesla heading into 2024 could be the thing that saves them when it comes to some of that margin compression that they've continued to mention on their earnings calls. But the big question is the next gen batteries for those Cybertrucks moving forward. Also, the ramp up in production of those Cybertrucks. They're expanding their factories in Mexico to allow for some of that production ramp up to continue, as concerns about that production volume remain on the street. Now, we also have anticipation of that $25,000 vehicle for Tesla coming in here in the next 6 months to a year. That could be a boon for this name if they're able to kind of expand their market share by allowing for a little bit more of an affordable name. But an affordable product is not always good news for margins. So I'm curious about how they're squaring that with their margin compression concerns that we've heard Elon continue to talk about. More long term, though, guys, we've got the Dojo supercomputer and, of course, Optimus the robot. I can't not mention that. But the question is, these are long-term goals. It feels to me as fantastical as a self-driving car at this point. When am I going to see it? When am I going to be able to get in a self-driving car that takes me to and from the East Village on a Saturday night?
I'm an Optimus robot. So you're getting a demo real time.
Really?
Yes.
Is that why you're able to write on paper here that's actually a computer?
No comment, Brad, over to you.
You know, as we're thinking about Optimus, the 4680 battery, and then lastly, the Dojo, you talk about a reality check that might need to be had over at the company. They were talking earlier about this year, the Dojo being able to compete with the NVIDIA H1 by the end of this year. Now, we already have NVIDIA iterating on top and already talking about the A100 and the H100. So they're already, again, miles ahead of where the rest of the field, in whatever AI play they're trying to make, catching up with NVIDIA at this point in time here, too.
Did you see that robot photo with that B-roll we were just showing? I mean, that is a glimpse of what making, I think, the manufacturing line will look like. There he is, the Optimus robot. That is the future of the Tesla manufacturing line, in my humble view.
Who needs to negotiate with the UAW when you got a bunch of robots walking around? Maddie, thanks so much for joining us, breaking down some of these key catalysts here.